All right, we're looking at number 6, the practice question. So go ahead, give this one a try, and then come back and we're gonna see how your answers go. So on this one, we are going from A to B. It wants to know what is the average velocity. So I need to know the displacement. So my final position was 25, my initial position was 0. 25 minus 0, I went 25 meters then in a time of 3 seconds. So 25 divided by 3 gives me 8.3 meters per second. So from A to B, I was going at an average of 8.3 meters per second. Now from B to C, final minus initial, so 0 minus 25, I went a negative 25 meters in a time of 3 to 6 seconds, which would be 3 seconds. So this would be negative 25 or negative 8.3, okay? So for the first part, we went 8.3 meters per second. For the second part, we went negative 8.3 meters per second. And then from A to C, what is my displacement from A to C? Initial position 0, final position 0, so my displacement is 0. So from A to Z, my average velocity was 0, okay? So any progress I made at the start, I cancel out on the way out. Speed, however, for part B was a little different. So it will be the same on the way out. So I had a positive 8.3 meters per second for my speed because I went that same distance. On the way back from B to C, you might be able to argue same or different either way. That negative sign is the only thing that's extra for our velocity because velocity has direction. They do have the same magnitude. They're both 8.3 meters per second. It's just the velocity has that negative direction associated with it. And then the overall average speed was still 8.3 because you went a total of 25 and 25, so you went 50 meters in 6 seconds, so you get an 8.3 there, whereas the average velocity was 0 for the total trip. There you go.